do you want that online visibility, the online presence for your business? So tell me, are you using TikTok for your brand or for your business? If not, you're sleeping on this. I want to tell you today that TikTok for business is very essential. It's a massive opportunity for your brand or for your business. And if you're not even using TikTok for your business, so tell me, what are you waiting for? Huh? As you all know, TikTok is a free platform, is a free app that over 1 billion users, active users, use daily, and they show themselves on TikTok. Some people even go to TikTok to search for a product or to search for something, just like Google. And guess what? TikTok is also the fourth search engine in the world. We have TikTok, we have YouTube, we have Google. Okay? And TikTok is number 4 on the list. So why are you not making use of TikTok for your business? In this video, I'm going to be giving us insight on how to use TikTok for your business and how to grow your business to that visibility that you need and to get more leads, more engagement, and more visibility. You want to make that money with TikTok, then keep watching this video. Okay? So in this video, I'm going to be lecturing us on how to create a TikTok for business, the benefits, and how to use it. So now let's dive straight to my system without any further ado. So tech lover, I'm going to be using my TikTok account. I'm not going to be starting or creating a new TikTok account. But for you to be able to get your TikTok account, if you don't have a TikTok account, is you can go to your Google Play Store and download TikTok app. Then you follow the procedures. So when you for it, it's very easy. TikTok account is very easy to create. So just create your account and you get started. You put your logo or your picture here, and if you're on personal account, you just have to change it. You go to settings and you change it to a business account. Okay, you change it to a business account. As you can see, this is my business account. So I'm going to be raise this up so you can see properly. So you click on your profile and you click on this business sheet. So this is my home page. For you to be able to have full access to this TikTok for business, you have to be on the business account. Okay, and the benefit of you being on business account is to know your analytics, to know the schedule. Now they've introduced schedule. You can schedule in bulk. You can create your content on TikTok, and you can grow organically on TikTok, and you can use the method I will be showing you for TikTok My Business to sell your product. On the TikTok for business is for you to be able to sell your brand, put your business out there so that you can make more money in your account. So now this is the analytics, because if you are using the personal account, you will not have access to all of this. Okay, you will not have access to this analytics. The analytics could tell you if you have a new followers, the new like, new visits, videos, and it's going to also tell you if you click more, right? It's going to tell you the videos that are doing well and the videos that are not doing well, so that you can know how to create. And it's going to also tell you from this app, you can know the time to post. Okay, it will tell you if you can post at a particular time or you're not posting at a particular time. It's going to tell you the gender that are watching you. On my video, I have 36% female and 63% male that are on my channel. It's also going to give you the top cities that are on your TikTok account. Okay, and as you can see, it's going to give you the activities on TikTok. Okay, it's going to give you all these activities. You can choose the timing. You will check it and you will know your timing. If you can post 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, the good timing for you is going to show it here for you. So now these are my videos, right? So I can just click on any, but I'm not going to promote my videos. I'm going to promote a product. Okay, so now You can also come to this creative up. You can check for trending video showcase, okay, so that you can know what is trending for your business, okay. Then now let's now start the main gist for this tutorial. As you can see, I have TikTok for business there. You can either click it. So as I'm giving you free content like this, you can use my personal link, the link in the description, to sign up for your business, for this TikTok business, okay. It's optional, or you can just go directly to Google, but I'm going to appreciate it if you up my video, up my content by liking this video and also using my link in the description to sign up so I can get paid a commission. Thank you. So now the link to this is going to be in the description below, as I said. So it said to grow your business with TikTok ads. We're going to be creating a ad, how to create ad, how to promote our business, even if you are a consultant, if you are a service-based person, or you have an e-commerce business, you can promote your business on TikTok. So as it says, TikTok Manager gives you all the features you need to launch effective ad, drive sales, and measure performance. Best of all, it's affordable and easy to use. Okay, so we're going to click get started there. I'm going to put my email. Let me put my email and password, then I return. So after doing that, you click here, then you continue. Also, as you can see, it says launch ad and drive business results on TikTok. Reach a unique audience on any budget. Okay, with TikTok ad, getting your brand in front of the right audience is easy and affordable. TikTok ad manager helps you to get more out of your ad spend. Connect with highly engaged shoppers, as you can see here. So now, let's continue. It says I should. Yeah, verification complete. So it has sent a code to my email. So let me check my email account. So now it said you should boost your business, okay? So yeah, I'm going to be putting my industry. My industry is, let me just say, e-commerce, right? Let me see what they have here. I think I have a product I want to sell. Let's say, for the benefit of this class, let me just put clothes and shoes, right? And my business name, I'm going to be using Bunmi's Lifestyle. I'll be using Bunmi's Lifestyle. Bunmi's Lifestyle. Okay? Then my phone number, 306 450. Okay, then we then get started. You must agree to terms and conditions, get started. So it says review, accept this. Yeah, you can go through it, you read it, then you accept. Then my province, I'm in Saskatchewan. Okay, if you want auto payment or manual payment, I think I want auto payment depending on this. So we'll go to the ad manager. So how would you like to create your ad today? Everything you need, all advanced. Let's check this advanced. Allow. Got it. Okay. So now you put your ad. Let's go back. Let's see the basic too, so we can decide which one to use. Let's use the basic, okay? So it says, what's your advertising goal? Is it traffic? Is it community interaction? Is it lead generation? Website conversion? Sell products online, okay? If you want traffic, you can decide to do a traffic if you want traffic on your website, right? And lead generation for the service people if you have a call to action for a course or for a training, okay? For the service people. Then if you want conversion, if you want people to buy your product on your website, if you want the conversion, drive valuable action to your website. Then if you are selling products online, then anyone you want. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be thinking of this conversion, right? continue. So it's going to ask us to select pixel. We have to create one pixel. That will take a longer process. We can create a pixel here, right? And you can do like manual, next, then pixel name. Let's just put Bumsi's lifestyle. Lifestyle. This is just a demo class, okay? Then next. So we already create a pixel, right? Let's close this. Let's close this. We already created a pixel. So let's go back to our hat. So let's see if you can. Yeah, we already create a pixel. So our location, then demographic. You can choose all if you're selling just male product or just female product, or you want all. So we are clicking all. Then we're going to be clicking on age. We're going to be clicking age up to 18, 18 to 24, 24 to let's click on 24. Yeah, we'll click as many. Yeah, I'm okay like this. Then language, we'll click on English. Behavioral, you search for category. What do you want to sell? Let's see luxury. Let's see if we will find luxury shoppers. Oh yeah, let's click on this because people in the luxury hotel, you just click on your categories, okay? Then or you tell them to recommend for you. You can browse, okay? But for the moment, I'm just going to click anyone here. Let's just put tech, right? And that's it. It's been selected. Then we continue. So that's lovers. From here it said I should create a pixel, which I created, but it's not coming up. But just a short roundup, just set the budget and you create your ad. Then your ad will start to run. I hope you gained something from that video you just watched. I want to say thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Also, if you want to start using TikTok for business, my link is going to be in the description box and I'm also going to pin it in the comment section. Sign up for yours right now and start growing your business on TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.